Okay, so for this video we're going to be looking at doing the number 4 side of the dice that we've been doing. We're going to be looking at using the rectangular pattern tool to create this shape, and this can be used in a lot of different instances. We're going to be looking at the rectangular pattern tool in the sketch toolbar, not in the 3D model toolbar, but they're very similar. We're going to start off by doing a sketch on the opposite side of the number 3, because dices, both opposite sides need to add up to 7. So on the opposite side of the 3, again, to look around the object, you can just click up here and it will rotate you around. So I'm going to create a sketch on this side, just like we've done before. When we start off anything, I want to start off with a 2D sketch. And then I'm going to just draw one circle this time, and I'm going to dimension it like we've done before, clicking the edge, clicking the centre, and clicking up the top and making that 12.5. Same, click, 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 12.5. And then dimension this circle to 10. Now, the rectangular pattern tool is up here, however your screen might be laid out a wee bit differently. You might just have the tools, you might not have it saying rectangular. So if you do want to find any of the tools, you can just hover over the tool with the mouse and it will tell you a wee bit about the tool. So if I hover over, it says rectangular pattern and it tells you what it does. So I'm going to click that, and in this box it's already selected geometry. So there's a few tools inside this tool which just tells the computer what it is you're doing. So first it wants you to select the geometry. The geometry that I want to duplicate is going to be this circle. Then it's asking for a direction. Now I want to use this vertical direction here, and we can use this line that we've projected when we done our dimensioning. So it's projected this yellow line onto it. So if I tried to click this vertical line, it doesn't let me click anything here. But over here on this line, it turns to yellow, which means I can click it. So if I click that, it'll show a duplicate over here. And then direction 2, I'm going to click here and click my horizontal line. There we go. Now I've got my 4 circles, but they're not quite where I want, so I want to then change my spacing. You can do a few different things. So you could do measure, but we're just going to leave it as spacing for now. So it's going to calculate the distance between this circle and where the next circle is going to be going. So I'm going to do 25 because that is half of what my object is, and that will get me right in the same place as where we've put this. And then I'm going to do 25 on this side, and there we go. You might have it looking like this on your screen. If you do this, just play about with the flip options until you get it looking like how you want. I'm going to click OK, finish my sketch, and just like we've been doing before, I'm going to subtract. So I'm going to click all 4 of my circles, and then I'm going to do subtract, which in Inventor is called cut. Click that, click OK, and that's this side done. In the next video, we're going to be looking at doing the number 6 side, where we're going to use mirror and then rectangular pattern, and we'll be doing number 5 pretty quickly, that just uses sort of all the tools that we've been looking at before, and then I'll be talking about fillet in the last video. So if you have any questions, make sure you just ask and click to the next video to see the next parts. Thanks.